Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, Naija know they carry last. We all know this, but apparently so does the former American president Barack Obama. As guys, I bring you this. Obama releases his summer playlist. Wizkid, Burna Boy, Davido makes the list. So of course, I mean, Obama, like the rest of the entire planet, is just subsumed by Nigerian music. No surprises there. Again, the headline: Obama releases his summer playlist. Wizkid, Burna Boy, Davido make the list. So now let's now see what the former American president is listening to. Former US President Barack Obama has released his summer playlist, and once again, Nigerian musicians are on the list. Smile by Wizkid featuring Her and Be Honest by Joda Smith featuring Grammy nominee Burna Boy and a song by Davido are some of the hits the former president is dancing to this summer, according to his tweets. Previous lists had featured Nigerian artists such as Rima and Burna Boy. Over the past few months, I have spent a lot of time listening to music with my family. I wanted to share some of my favorites from the summer, including some songs from some of the artists at this week's Dem convention. So at this week's Democratic convention, I'm assuming. Hope you enjoy it, Obama tweeted. So of course, Obama tweets his playlist, and Naija know they carry last, as we all know, and of course Naija know carry last in this instance as well. Curiously, there's no Ghanaian on it. Just a little wink to my Ghanaian friends and family. Well, not I don't have family in Ghana, of course, but my Ghanaian friends, we're all cousins. But still, you know, Naija once again ahead because, of course, Naija know they carry last. Conversations in the comment section: Barack Obama is a Davido fan, and so say all of us. Who is not a Davido fan? It really is the question. The whole planet is a Davido fan, Wizkid and the rest of them, Burna Boy. So Nigerian music taking over. Go to any nightclub in any major city anywhere in the world, and the hit that everybody jumps up to dance to is some Nigerian track or the other. Come share thoughts. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all the clickings, come join me then in the comment section. Come tell me what you're making of this Obama's playlist. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.